Good morning, I am Sagar Sahu of class 9A, roll number 23, and I am here to present an activity of conservation of momentum in front of you. The things required for this experiment are a simple homemade slider and 9 marbles. Let us try with one marble. We will take 9 marbles and arrange it like this. After arranging the 9 marbles in the slider like this, we will push the marble in my direction so that the other marble in the end, another end will go forward like this. Let us try with 2 marbles. We will take the 9 marbles again and we will arrange it like this in the slider. After that, I will push the 2 marbles in my direction so that the 2 marbles in the another end will move forward like this. Now let us try it with 3 marbles. I will take the 9 marbles again and I will arrange it like this. And after arranging the 9 marbles like this, I will push the 3 marbles in my direction gently so that the 3 marbles in the another direction will go forward like this. As we all know that momentum is equal to mass into velocity. So when we will take 9 marbles of equal mass and we will slide gently, push the first marble, then after collision, the marble at the another end will move forward with the same velocity. Similarly, if we will strike 2 marbles, then 2 marbles from the another end will move away with the same velocity after collision. And again, similarly, if we will strike 3 marbles, then 3 marbles at the another end will move away with the same velocity after collision. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. If no external forces are exerted on a system, then the linear momentum must remain constant. All the marbles have the same mass. If we push one marble with a certain velocity before the collision, then we must have one marble with the same velocity after collision. This was all about my experiment on conservation of momentum. Thank you for giving me your valuable time.